Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Subhanshu Verma, Information Security Analyst at Dokar, and today we are talking about Advanced IP Scanner. So what is it? Firstly, we have to know about this. It's a free, fast and powerful network scanner with a user-friendly interface. In a matter of seconds, Advanced IP Scanner can locate all the computers on your wired or wireless local network and conduct a scan of their ports. The program provides easy access to various network resources such as HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and shared folders. So it also enables you to detect all the IP address on your Wi-Fi network. So open the tool. Here you can give the range according to your scan. I have already given it. Hit on scan. So here you can see in a couple of seconds, it will detect all the system connected in a Wi-Fi network. They can give their IPs, manufacturer, MAC addresses easily. Here you can also know the usernames of the systems. So this is how you can scan easily a network. That's all about. Thank you.